Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your Eastern Bank account. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser as I have already opened the Microsoft Edge and bring up the search bar and type in and hit the search. Make sure it takes you to the official link www.easternbank.com. Just click on that first link. Now you will be taken to the official website of Eastern Bank. Now at the top right of your screen you can see the login button. Just click on login button. Now over here you can either log in with your personal account or the business account. For now I'm going for personal banking. Just go for personal online banking. Now you'll be directly taken to the login page of Eastern Bank. Over here you just need to enter your username. Similarly enter your password over here. If you want to see your password or confirm your password, just click on I icon to see your password. If you want to save the username, just click on save username for further use. But I suggest you guys do not try it in public computer. In case if you forgot your username, just click on forgot username. Similarly, in case if you forgot your password, just click on forgot password to recover your username and password. And once you click on sign in button, you will be easily access your account. If you don't have any account of Eastern Bank, just click on new to online banking. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.